What's going on, guys? Welcome to AURORA and 4-wheel drive. Today we're gonna make an unboxing of my rear LED light. Now we're gonna go over there. Hope you can see me. This video is sponsored by off-brand products and AURORA lighting. I'm gonna unboxing this now. Very excellent light. I've been running them for 8 months. I got one set of amber, one set of diffusion lights, and I have no issues with them. I mean, so far so great. Very good quality. Look at that, guys. I mean, nice boxes with a brand on it. One more. Oh wow, look at that. Some nice looking glasses by my sponsor. That's great. Thank you Matthew, you're watching this video. I'm pretty sure these are my wife's rear lights. He sent me this extra. We're gonna see what it is. We're gonna start with this. As you can see, here comes your warranty. If something is wrong with your light, you just put your information right there, send it back to him. He got a good customer service. I really recommend him for your needs on LED lights. Now let's open this package. That's how it comes. Number one, you can buy one by one if you want. It doesn't have to be just, you know, the pair. I mean, he got it set for the pair, you know. But if you only need one, he can sell you one. That's why they come separately, which is very cool. Look at this. Wow, there is no way that this is gonna be damaged when they ship it.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Here's your connector, the hardware, stainless steel. Here's the other one. I mean, the quality of these lights, guys, it's amazing. Cable, body, lenses, LEDs, the harness, everything is good quality. That's why I went with this company. A lot of Russian people use this, and these are the single row 10 watt. They are scene pattern. They don't, you know, they don't show just a spot on the whatever you're using your lights. You just spread the light 120 degrees. Now I'm gonna be showing you the quality of these lights. I mean, as you can see, this paper is protecting your lens, and just look at the body. Very nice finish, very nice stainless steel screws. There is a breather. I don't know how it's called, this breather, but it's supposed to be good. Look at the cable, very soft material. I mean, waterproof harness. Same thing, this copper, that's a good sign right there. Straight copper. The seal, so you don't get water inside your harness. That's amazing. Hardware. As you can see, it comes a nut and a bolt, stainless steel, and an Allen bolt, stainless steel as well. Bracket, washer, and that's it. That's on each light. I'm gonna start doing some measurements in case one of you are interested in these lights. They measure 4 3/4. That's a link. And this is 1 7/8 from here to here. How deep they are 2 1/8 deep from here all the way to this edge. So there you have it. The cord measures 1 foot. Lumens, they are, let me see, very slow this internet. Come on. Oh. There we go. So they are 3,600 lumens on both. So each they are 1,800 lumens. I'm gonna put the bracket on just to make sure that it's gonna work. I'm gonna let's see, what is that washer? I think I lost that washer. It's right here. As you can see, that's the bottom. This right here. Put your bracket. Oops, that's the wrong one. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna see if it's gonna work, because I'm gonna put it under the spoiler. As you can see, I'm gonna post a picture where I want the mount. I'm gonna mount them right there. So it looks like it's gonna work to me. They're not gonna stick out much. This, I already put a line right here. It's not gonna hit it. So I think it'll be okay. Two of them. Only complaining about it. It's not a big deal, but they don't come with a logo. Not like my LED pods. My LED pods, they come with a logo. I mean, they come in black. I paint them on gray. I mean, just the logo, it looks very good. But this doesn't. Aurora, if you are watching this video, please start making this, start putting the logo in the lights. I mean, I think it'll look very awesome and people can notice your product, the good quality of your product. That's my only complaint, guys. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you, these other two boxes right here, like I say, this is the rear light reverse for my wife. They are a single row. I think they are 1600 lumen. No, 1200 lumens, I think, each of them. I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing this unboxing later. So stay tuned for the unboxing video. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be good lights. And thanks for watching.